How to defrost your Hydrobath. Oh dear, Happy New Year. So, you guessed it. Basically, I've had that Hydrobath for 7 years. It's been perfect. It was in a room within a building, only 2 units down. Never ever ever did it freeze up. Yesterday, I went to bath the dogs. The water wouldn't, I'd luckily hadn't bathed the dogs, but the water basically wouldn't go down. And I thought, you know what, it's frozen. The hose pipe inside, from the tap to the bath, was also frozen, but with having the heater on in there, just for 5 or 10 minutes, the water started going into the tank. But yeah, the pipe was frozen, so I didn't bath the dogs yesterday, and I've cancelled the dogs today. I'd also cancelled the dogs on Monday. Now, in my opinion, if your bath is frozen, just don't do the dogs. It's obviously that cold. It's not worth doing the dogs. Just move them to another day. Now, if the water in your tank, the fresh water, is frozen, that's not such a bad thing because you can just put the heat on and it will defrost the water. But if your drain is full, and when you go to release the water, it goes nowhere. What actually happened to me yesterday, so I'd put a bit of water in the right hand side, and what I normally do for the first bath is do a quick recycle to almost warm the bath up, release the water, then refill with the water I'm going to bath the dog with. But that water, from almost cleaning and warming the water up, didn't go anywhere. Thought, great, it's obviously frozen, but I left it open. And instead of just sitting there, it then came along the pipe. It's quite hard for me to show you because it's quite tight in there. It took a left turn instead of a right turn. The water backed up to the overflow and came out the overflow. And then the next thing I saw, all the water at the front of the bath. So I shut closed the drain, so the water couldn't go anywhere, and I didn't bath any dogs. I said, I'm not bathing none. I'll wait till today to assess the situation properly, because it is Wednesday today. Saturday night was that cold. Sunday was freezing, about -7. Monday I cancelled the dogs because it was so cold, and I knew it was going to be cold up here. And yesterday I thought, well, it's a little bit warmer, I'll come in. Didn't bath the dogs because that was frozen. Today I've come in, released the water, and it thought about it and then slowly went down. I thought, great. And what I've actually done, I've had a word with the landlord as well. I'd already put 2 boiling kettles down the plug hole just to clear any ice out, basically. And I bought some insulation to go on the inside, but I actually think the problem is on the outside, because now I've spoke to him. He said he's going to insulate the outside pipe. There's a big pipe and a big U-bend. He thinks it's there, the problem. So, if you've just set up your Hydrobath and you've got something like that going off, then you probably will need to insulate your pipes, either put a little heater in overnight, which I'm not doing. I'm not prepared to put anything on overnight while I'm not here. So yeah, I'm going to insulate the pipes. If he puts a little bit something on outside, but it was ridiculously cold. It's extreme weather. Honestly, like I've already just said, if it is that cold, it's not worth grooming the dogs. It's not actually fair on the dogs, grooming the dogs when it's that cold. I did it years ago and I know better, like yesterday. The clients were dead happy, they weren't bothered. They got the dogs groomed, but they weren't bathed because they were already here. They were fine about it. The people what I've cancelled today are fine about it. It's not actually bad today outside. I think it's 3. Not bad at all. But, you just have to use a bit of common sense. If your bath is frozen, then there's a little bit of a cold problem going off, isn't there? I said the hose pipe from the tap to the bath was frozen yesterday. But that, from having the little heater on in there, which is an 8x5 room, although I'm in this great big building, I've groomed dogs in the winter for many years in the past, and it's horrible. And I knew coming in here that room had to be made. So it's a little 8x5 room which will heat up dead quick. But I was not expecting that yesterday, for the drain to be frozen. But somebody I do know, Sunday morning, they had no water in the house because the pipes had frozen. So it was obviously that cold, and they had to get the plumbers round with a blowtorch on the external pipes to defrost the water. So that's how cold it was. I'm glad I don't live there. So just use your, brain a little bit, and dogs can wait if it is so cold. Just hopefully it won't prolong how cold it is. Today would be fine. Now it's cleared, but I say I want to get those bits of insulation on it.